Hi naman sa mga
Hello,
nanonood ngayon.
hi, kamusta po kayo? Ito na naman kami, kumakain na naman, nagpapataba na naman sa Duterte Park kung saan araw-araw nagtitipon at nagdiriwang. Not only because life is the greatest gift from the Lord, but because we know the Lord is taking care of Tatay Digong and He will be home soon.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, may reaction ka ba sa mga sinasabi ni VP Inday about doon sa isang... wag na lang siguro.
Sige, okay lang yan. Yung padila-dila. Nako, huwag kayong maboto ng dila-dila dyan. Dahil baka lumawitin ang mga dila ninyo. Huwag kayong maboto sa dila-dila dyan. Okay?
Alala ko.
At huwag kayong maboto dyan sa mga tsuwa-tsuwa na yan. Di ba? Oo. Talagang wag yan. Buwag na, ibasura na sila. Pang
Totoo.
apples tayo at kung sino man ang kalaban ng dila. Kahit sino ka pa.
Sir, may concern po yung mga kababayan natin about online voting. Kasi nga, baka daw gagamitin sila, sir, mismo. Baka daw gagamitin yung ano nila. Sabi ko na mag-check na lang sa Comelec mismo kasi meron ata silang provision na pag hindi ka registered, hindi ka makaka-register online. Hindi ka maka-register online din, sir. Oo. Kailangan mo munang mag-register kasi dapat registered ka.
Tapos na yung registration.
Yeah, September 2024 last year. Yung registration. Kaya nga, hindi na pwede. Next election ka na makaboto.
Hindi kaya magagamit ang online.
Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan po, Gabay Party List, 139 sa balota para sa tamang papatupad ng Universal Healthcare, tamang papatupad ng libreng tanghalian sa lahat ng kabataan at libreng irigasyon sa lahat ng magsasaka. At para kontra korupsyon, freedom of information at whistleblower act. Kaunting na makalimutan.
So guys, kabalo ba mo guys? You know, one thing that really boggles my mind is that why is it that if you're going to run for... Kanay, seryoso na gina po din na istorya, no? Na, why is it that every time somebody wants to run for public office, particularly in the Philippines, you need to spend millions and millions of pesos in order for you to be voted for office? Ano man? Kana-kanon sa pamanato i-question ang these realities na permeating sa atong country. Why does someone need to spend millions of pesos, in fact hundreds of millions of pesos, in order to secure a senatorial seat or congressional seat, or even as governors or mayors running for public office in the local government? Why do we need to do that? Why is it that it's necessary for them to spend that much money? How much man ang ilahang earnings di ay, or ilahang sweldo to begin with? Let's be real. Mota na daw taana. What do they get out from it? Because I honestly think na if you want to serve the country, you need to stick to your salary. I think para mawala ng kanang mga, mangitag ka ng options for corrupt practices or what na, taasan nimo ang sweldo sa empleyado nimo. Para dili siya matintal na mangitag ways to corrupt or to engage in corrupt practices. Ano lang ka-simple. In order to get rid of that, para gyud butaran sa tao out of merit, out of their capacity to serve the society and to represent better their constituents, why don't we change the change the norm of our political system? Taasan ang sweldo and expect the people voted for public office to perform according to their mandate and represent the needs and wants of their constituents. Mo gyud ako nakita na solution. Because can you imagine, let's say for example, kung ang sweldo sa isang senator is, hypothetical lang ni siya, we're not going to go sa numbers. Let's say, 100,000 ang senator kada bulan. 100,000. So, naakay 1.2 million every year. And you are going to, serve lang, I think, 3 years? 3 years lang ba ng senator? Or 6 years? I think 3 years. Every 3 years ata na siya, I'm not sure. Pilang sweldo sa senator?
Parang wish ko lang.
Be, tanaw na ko, be, ka ng...
Madami.
Sir, ako pangitaon ko pilang kuan. Sana to.
Ano si attorney? Hindi mo na itanong ka attorney.
Tawag na ka.
Ano mo, yung answer mo. Ito kasi ang cancer niya, kung wala bang ebidensya, walang crime. Wala daw, pre. Oh, pre.
6 years ang senator.
Pre, pag wala daw,
Ako tanaw mo ni be kung pilang sweldo sa senator sa Philippines. Kaya para sa atong atong discussion. It's 300,000, oy. Let's say 300,000 ang sweldo sa senator. 300,000 lang. Fix lang tadi. 300,000 times 12 times 6. Okay. After they finish their term, ang ilang ma-accumulate per year is 21,600,000 or per year is 3,600,000. How in the hell should these people, or why would they spend 200,000 to almost 500,000 or more? That would be. It really boggles my mind. You spend before you can even become a senator, you are already spending 500 million in relation to your campaign expenses or whatnot. Ano kang gingunahan nila pag una no? Na in order for you to win a senatorial seat, you need to because dapat gani pagka ng ako po napansin, dapat gani pagka ng senatorial whatever chuchu, dapat ang ilaharang pwede gilimit ra sa COMELEC. Ako hunahuna ha, gilimit ra ta na sa COMELEC ang pag campaign using digital platforms kanang official COMELEC website or official COMELEC TV streams para dito or official COMELEC debate chuchu. Kaya para dili siya advantageous ato ng mga dato nalagod sila ikagasto. Kaya if we really want a level playing field, dapat ingon ana siya, di ba? Mo na ko na need sir, believe kay ko kanang gising na siya sir nagtanaw. There are 24 every 6 years pa change. Sir, believe kayo ng isog na siya. Lantaw also Moreno, sir. Dapat na isog They need the power. That's why politicians spend much money to secure government seat. Because politics in the Philippines is business. It's not how much salary they earn, but it's all about the influence or personal family business and flourish. The president, I believe, will, I don't know, maybe 400 or more. Press at 1 million if I'm not mistaken, okay? Siya?
Ingon si
Buto lagi gyud, oo. Di na ka magadlok-adlok ng mga kuan, buto gyud. Mao gyud akong punto, guys. Nah, it's not about knowing the exact salary. The point remains, ang punto is, why do they need to spend so much money to secure a seat? When in fact, ang ilang salary is definitely not going to give them whatever they want. Because, you know, in a perfect world, a position should be given to those who really want to serve. Na ang imong sole purpose is nothing more. Wala yung mga personal agenda or whatnot. It's just really just to serve and to make sure that the country advances or develops.